Hello everyone. So in the previous video we discussed about the first order low pass Butterworth filter. In this video we'll see what is second order Butterworth filter. Okay. So a stop band response having 40 dB per decade roll-off factor is obtained by using second order low pass filter. So we know in the stop band region the gain of the filter will start decreases at the rate of 40 dB per decade. So that we call it as a second order Butterworth filter. A first order low fault filter can be converted into second order filter by just adding the RC network in the circuit. So here we can observe. So there we had only one RNC connected in parallelly, but here we have one more RNC, so remaining everything will remain same. So first order can be converted into second order by just adding one more RNC network. So this is the feedback resistance. Okay, so this is second order low pass filter in the non-inverting configuration. So this is the frequency response as we know. So since this is also a low pass filter, so we have a higher cutoff frequency FH. So till everything will remain same, only at the stop band region the rate at which the gain decreases is higher. Okay, so the voltage will remain same until the higher cutoff frequency FH, and after it decreases. Okay, so the gain of the second order low pass filter is set by R1 and RF, while the higher cutoff frequency FH is determined by R2, C2, R3 and C3. So FH is 1 divided by 2 pi root of there. It was just R1 R and C. Here it is R2, R3, C2, C3. Okay, so now for a second order low pass Butterworth, the voltage gain magnitude equation is given by this, that is V0 by Vn is equal to AF into root of 1 divided by F divided by FH whole power 4. So there it was 2, here it is 4, where AF we have described it as 1 plus RF pass band gain of the filter. F is the frequency, that is operating frequency of the signal. FH is the higher cutoff frequency. FH is equal to 2 pi root of R2 C2 R2 R3 C2 C3. So this is the equation for the higher cutoff frequency, where there it was only FH divided by 2 pi RC. Okay, so filter design, how to design a second order Butterworth low pass filter is, so choose the value of higher cutoff frequency. First we need to choose the value of higher cutoff frequency. So next we need to calculate what is R2. I mean, for the design simplification we have made it as R3 is equal to R, C2 C3 is equal to C, and we need to choose C is equal less than 1 mu farad. So later we can calculate what is R using this equation. So because we have made R2 is equal to R3 and C2 is equal to C3, our AF is, so in the AF equation, so that second half equal 1.586, that is RF is 0.586 times the RF. So this AF become 1.586, so minus 1 is 0.586, so RF will be 0.586 times R1. So this is the necessary condition for designing the second order Butterworth filter, so to guarantee the Butterworth response. Okay, so now choose R1 less than is equal to R 100 kilo ohm, so and calculate the value of RF. So R1 should be less than 100 kilo ohm, keep this in mind. So while asking, when they have asked in the problem to design, so we have to keep in mind the R1 should be less than 100 kilo. So this is the filter design of second order Butterworth filter. Okay, thank you.